Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your blockchain account's password. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the URL box, type in www.blockchain.com and press enter on your keyboard. From the official site of blockchain, go to the login area by clicking on the login button at the top right hand corner, and you'll be asked for your password for your blockchain account. If you remember the password during logging in, make sure to type it in the text box and click on the login button. But if you don't remember your password and you'd like to reset it, click on Need Some Help link beneath the login button. And now you'll need to recover your account using the recovery phrases for your blockchain account. Click on this recover account with recovery phrase. As long as you know or remember your recovery phrases from blockchain, you'll be able to reset or recover your account. Simply go ahead and enter your 12 words recovery phrases or private key. So type it in one by one in the correct order, and you'll need to separate each words with a space. After you type in all of the phrases, click continue. On the next page, you'll need to create a new password in order to reset it. Simply type in your password in the first text box you'd like to reset to, and this time make sure to type in the password, which will be easier for you to remember. Now retype in the password one more time on the next field where it says confirm password, and finally click on reset password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to reset your password for your account. Next time you log in, make sure to enter the new password that you just reset to, and you'll be good to go. That's how you can easily reset your password for blockchain. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.